everyone. So in this video, I will guide you from where you can go ahead and set up your document stores. So in each and every organization, people keep their own set of store for the documents. Like suppose they want all the purchase material in the raw material store. Same goes all the invoices which are going to be dispatched that should happen from the finished goods store. So how you can manage that? On Transact, we do have a functionality in our settings module. So let us go to settings first. Click on all modules. Here you will get settings module. Now here you need to go in inventory. Once you will come in inventory, you need to click on default document store. So please check. This is the option from where you can go ahead and define the stores of each and every individual document. So like all the purchase order, where all the purchase order will go, I can quickly go ahead and just edit it and I can make the changes. So here what I will select main stock store. Click on save. Now, whenever I will create a purchase order, main stock store will be the default store in the purchase order. Same while creating the invert, while creating the GRN, main stock store will be selected there, and accordingly, I don't need to go and select it each and every time. It will be fixed and all the invert will happen in the main stock store. Say we can go ahead and define on the invoice that all the invoice which are raised from which store the stock will get reduced, that you can define for the finished goods store, or you can keep your own store as well, and then after you can manage the same. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to manage your store for document. Have a good day ahead.